In this video today, we're going to take a virtual tour of a stunning castle destination wedding in Europe and how you can make your dream come true. Imagine saying your vows in a fairy tale setting, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of a European castle. The venues we're showcasing today is a true gem, with its grand architecture, lush gardens, and unparalleled views. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to help us grow our channel.
Today, castle destination weddings are the perfect way to show your friends and family what you're all about and make it fun. Destination weddings are a great way to incorporate your favorite vacation spots into an intimate wedding ceremony. And that doesn't mean you have to go without the luxuries and special touches you want for your big day. Planning an amazing creative wedding requires a lot of time and effort, but it could also be a lot of fun. Here are 7 great tips to help you plan your dream wedding without breaking the bank. One of the best ways to save money during your trip is to choose a date and time outside of peak season. The most important thing about this method is to research for potential deals beforehand. Weddings on the weekend are usually more expensive. Consider a weekday wedding instead of a weekend one. Instead of a traditional wedding venue, consider a beach, neighborhood park, or backyard for your event. They are cheaper, and the decor is usually more vibrant. You can save a lot of money by doing the work yourself. You can DIY your centerpieces, bouquets, floral arrangements, other decorations in order to save some serious cash. You could go wild with a combination of things like plants, flowers, and driftwood. Have your closest friends to help you gather driftwood and decorate it for your wedding. The number of guests you invite is important, so keep it small. You'll save on catering, venue costs, and accommodations if you stick to a small group of people. Consider inviting only close family and friends and have a larger celebration back home. Plan a destination that is not too far to travel to. Look for a venue that is not too far from your hotel, or where most of your guests will be staying. This will save on travel costs for you and your guests. Consider a destination wedding package, and even better if it is an all-inclusive wedding package. Some venues and resorts offer destination wedding packages that can save you money on venue costs, catering, and accommodation. These packages often include everything you need for a beautiful wedding, so you don't have to worry about details. Hiring a local wedding planner can help you save money by negotiating better deals with vendors. Here are the 20 best castle destination wedding venues. Château de Chantilly, France. Planning on a fairy tale wedding? This castle in the heart of France has plenty of beautiful venues for you to pick from, with its stunning architecture and beautiful gardens. Loch Eske Castle, Ireland. Wow, this romantic castle is located in the picturesque Irish countryside. Its photos don't do it justice. Ashford Castle, Ireland. There are a lot of amazing castles in Ireland, but this one is definitely worth checking out. One of the best parts of staying at this castle is how luxurious everything is. Castello di Vicarello, Italy. Imagine a unique and intimate wedding experience with beautiful gardens and views of the nearby countryside. This castle in Tuscany can provide that for you. Castel de San Marcal, Spain. This 12th century castle in the heart of Catalonia offers a beautiful setting for your wedding to be held at. It's also easy to see why so many couples opt for it. Neuschwanstein Castle, Germany. A fabulous wedding venue in Bavaria with the stunning views of the surrounding mountains and forests. Warwick Castle, England. This medieval castle in the heart of England is an amazing location for a wedding. It has stunning architecture, beautiful grounds, and is home to all kinds of unique events throughout the year. Château de Chillon, Switzerland. This castle on the shores of Lake Geneva offers a romantic and picturesque wedding experience. Castillo de San Marcos, Florida, USA. This castle in Florida provides a stunning location for a wedding. Kasteel de Wittenberg, Netherlands. This castle on the outskirts of The Hague is a beautiful location for weddings. Enjoy its elegant interiors and romantic gardens with your special someone. Egeskov Castle, Denmark. You can book a fairy tale castle for your wedding or special event. They have a medieval architecture that will make your guests feel like royalty. There's also moats and gardens for them to visit. The castle was made of stone, which is typically used to enhance the beauty of buildings. Castello Banfi, Italy. This castle in Tuscany offers a luxurious and elegant wedding experience, with its beautiful vineyards, gardens, and panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. It's perfect for a momentous occasion. Schloss Hotel Kronberg, Germany. This castle near Frankfurt offers a grand and historic wedding experience. Its beautiful interiors, gardens and surrounding forest will leave you feeling refreshed and ready to hit the dance floor. Château de la Chèvre d'Or, France. This castle on the French Riviera offers a luxurious and romantic wedding experience with its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and beautiful gardens. Castillo de Santa Catalina, Spain. This castle in Malaga offers a unique and picturesque wedding experience. It has a beautiful architecture, gardens, and views of the Mediterranean Sea. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland. This castle in Edinburgh is the perfect wedding venue, offering stunning views, amazing interiors and a great atmosphere. Château de Chissay, France. This castle in the Loire Valley offers a romantic and intimate wedding experience with its beautiful gardens, elegant interiors, and rich history. Larnac Castle, New Zealand. Dunedin's castle has stunning views of the Otago Peninsula, its beautiful gardens and a unique wedding experience. It's perfect for gown shopping or a cocktail reception. Ballynahunch Castle, Ireland. Castle O'Brien in Cian Mara has a beautiful scenic backdrop, stunning architecture and a luxury interior. You'll love the experience they provide your guests during your special occasion. Predjama Castle, Slovenia. This medieval castle built into a cave is an experience unlike any other. Not only does it have stunning views from a picturesque vineyard and its rich history, but it also allows for a unique wedding ceremony. 12 affordable and creative ways to decorate for castle destination wedding. Here are some ways to create an affordable and appealing atmosphere for your castle destination wedding. Fairy lights are great to use for creating a romantic and magical atmosphere. You can drape them over trees, pillars, arches or chandeliers for improved effect. Incorporate natural elements into the decor, such as flowers and greenery. Flowers are a great way to liven up your wedding decor. Enhance the look of your wedding venue with romantic theme. Consider buying flowers or herbs native to the castle's surrounding gardens or using plants that are found in local areas. You can use candles to create a romantic atmosphere in any setting. Candles can be used in candelabras, lanterns, or as centerpieces. You can also use LED candles if open flames are not permitted. Incorporate castle motifs. Castle-themed decor can be a fun idea if done properly. Use the castle-inspired colors gold and royal blue to create an elegant and regal atmosphere. Other items you might use include tablecloths, napkins, and other decor elements. Many castles have decor elements that can be repurposed for weddings. You could use tapestries, paintings, or other decorative items to add a touch of history and authenticity to your wedding. Consider setting an informal and intimate atmosphere with unique seating arrangements such as long tables or mismatched chairs. You can also use benches or hay bales for a rustic touch. You should have a grand entrance with flowers or candles leading the bride and groom to the ceremony. Adding a red carpet or runner can also add elegance to your reception. Use locally sourced flowers. You can save money and add a unique touch to your wedding decor. There are many flowers, ferns, or herbs in and around the castle. Some of these might be found within the flowers that you plan to use. Table decor is a great way to save money. Make your own place cards, table numbers and menus. Incorporate castle history. Use old photographs or artifacts from the castle's history to decorate the wedding. Guests might also enjoy a display of the castle's history and heritage during the reception time. A photo booth is a fun and cost-effective way to entertain guests. By incorporating new and creative ideas for your castle destination wedding, you can break out of the norm and offer an environment that your guests won't forget. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe so you won't miss future videos of destination wedding.